Ever wondered about the difference between what does she like and what is she like? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. These two phrases, though appearing similar, carry distinct meanings, each vital in its own context. Stick around as we delve into the distinction between these two phrases. Let's start with, what does she like? This question is a way to delve into someone's preferences, their likes and dislikes. For example, if we ask, what does she like? We might receive an answer like, she enjoys reading mystery novels, traveling to exotic locations, and playing the piano. In essence, when we ask, what does she like? We're seeking to understand someone's interests, their hobbies, the things that bring them joy. So, what does she like is all about someone's interests or preferences. Now, what about what is she like? This is a question we ask when we want to know about someone's personality or character. For example, if you ask, what is she like about your friend's new roommate, you might hear, she is friendly, outgoing, and has a great sense of humor. You're not asking about her preferences, but rather her traits and demeanor. Therefore, what is she like focuses on describing someone's character or personality. So, what are the key differences between what does she like and what is she like? Let's break it down. When we ask what does she like, we're probing into someone's interests, hobbies, or preferences. It's like asking, does she enjoy reading books or watching movies? On the other hand, what is she like delves into the person's character or personality. It's akin to asking, is she outgoing, shy, or adventurous? So it's like comparing apples to oranges. They're both fruit, but they have distinct flavors. Similarly, these two questions might seem similar, but they aim to unearth different aspects of a person. So remember, next time you ask about someone, consider if you want to know about their interest or their character. It's all in the question.